Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox a Samsung portable SSD. And this is the Samsung portable SSD T7, 500 gigabytes, and then yeah, up to 1050 megabyte per second rate speed, not bad, which is about a gigabyte rate speed. And then super fast external storage. Yes, this is the external one. Actually, I already have a Samsung internal one. Let me show you. Where's my box? Yep, I found it. Actually, I already got one. This 870 Evo. And then yeah, it's internal. At the time I don't know what external internal means, so yeah, I got this. So let's unbox this. And then I lost my cutter, so let's use a scissor this time. Yeah, let me try unbox this. Open them. Dingus. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's open this up. Whoa. Okay, there's two boxes in it. Yeah, another. It's got Samsung on it, and there's one more. Oh my gosh, how many boxes in it? Oh no. Is there anything else? No, there's not anything else. So this is a Samsung box. What is this? There's some cables, and then where's my SSD? Here's my SSD. Wow, I thought it's pretty big. Turned out it's pretty small. Okay. Then here, let's open this. How to open this? Okay, there's this type C to type C cable, and then this is the USB A to type C. What is this? This is a quick start guide. Do we need a guide? Of course not. Okay, and it's just all English. Oh wait, it's not all English. There's some Korean, and yeah, whatever. Okay, let's put these away. Okay, my camera just fell, and then yeah, so let's keep going. Okay, and this the SSD I got, pretty thin. USB-C here. This the model, and these are the serial number hints. Model and serial number, PSID rated, and then yeah, 500 gigabytes. Yeah, and I think that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Like and subscribe, whatever. Bye bye.